So now coming back to this side view, looking from the left hand side. Okay, so let me take my XL command. So now I can place it here and then offset by 10. Okay, so it means the distance from here to here is 10. So XL command again, XL command like this. So that's the axis for this side. So from this point, since our polar tracking is already set to 45 degrees, this midpoint here, so you can see that it's green dotted line now. You left click there. So of course this is your 45 degree. So if you want to dimension it, it cannot dimension because you cannot dimension construction line. So it means you have to draw lines to pass through it. So L line, that's a line there, spacebar to repeat the previous command. There's this line. So now if you want to dimension it, you come to angular dimension, this and then this. So that's 45 degrees. Okay. So now the same way you drill this, that's how you also draw this. Okay. You trace lines, take your command XL, you place it here. That's for the larger cylinder. So you also bring it down here, spacebar, you bring it down here, the larger cylinder. So your meeting point is going to be this point here. So you take your XL command and then you place it here. Okay, so let me move it. I actually did it here already before bringing it, so now I can just move it. So I'll move it so that it will be more perfect. Enter. So move it down this way. Okay, so now I think that is perfect. So now if you take your XL command, so you can see now it is straight with this one here. Okay, so now you can trim off all these ones. You trim up these ones, trim up this, you trim up this as well, trim up this, trim up this. Okay, so now escape after trimming. So now looking at this is the web, don't forget this one, the web is 12 mm. So now, and then you can see this height here, the height of this is from here to here is 10. So that was how we got this. So but the web also goes down. You can see from here to here is the web. Okay, so from here to here we can see this part of the web. That is why this place is thick line. So how about this point to this point? We cannot see it. Okay, we cannot see it from this point to this point. It means we have to take a line command from here. Take your line command L, enter. So starting from here, so you know this is the position for your web, and then you trace it downward, escape. So pick up your line command again, because you know this is where your web starts. You also trace it downward. So now you also prolong this way, because from this point to this point, that is where your web stops. Your web stops somewhere here. Spacebar to repeat the previous command. This is where your web also stops. Okay, so that's this height here. You can see it. This is where your web stops. From here to here. So this is the hidden part of it. So now you can simply trim up this, TR, enter. Trim up this. Trim up this. Delete this. So now this place, since it is hidden, this place is also hidden. You come to your merge properties, take your source, and then here is hidden, here is also hidden, and then escape. So now you can dimension, so from here to here, is should be 12. Then from from here to here, this should be the web of the smaller, keyway for the smaller cylinder, and that is 8. And then how about the keyway for the larger cylinder? That should be 15. Okay, that should be 15. So the web is 12. The height of the smaller cylinder is 25. Okay, so and then the inner diameter, I mean 50 should be the diameter of the smaller cylinder. Of course, the diameter of the larger cylinder is 60. Diameter of the larger cylinder is 60, so that should be from here to here. It should be 60 actually. So that should be 60. 60. Okay, so those are the dimension. Those are the dimension parts. So also this height, here, from here to here should be 10. Should be 10. So now let's come back to the side elevation from this point here. So we also need to project this line XL, or let's take our line command from here, we trace it down this way, and then we can trim, TR, enter. So we trim this, So now the web, this is for the web. The web starts, okay, this is the web. So now we have to increase it to this point. So we have to increase it downward to this point. Escape. Then have to increase this one as well. From this point downward. So let's delete this one so you can see it clearly. Okay, so now we can make this one short dash line as well. So merge properties, you come here. So this is also short dash or hidden line. This is also hidden line. So this as well should be hidden line. Okay, that's this particular one. That's the height. So here is also going to be hidden line, but we need to check from where to where. So escape. So but we need to trim up because it's not the overall length. It's not going to, it didn't reach up to this place. So starting from here, deleted. If you check your diagram very well, starting from here, start there. So you delete this place and then, okay, it's there like that. You can leave it that way. Okay, then you escape. So now you can also dimension this point from here to here remains 10. Okay, so that is it. So after all this done, you can now print. But of course this place, how about this height here? From here to here should be 16. This 16, okay, that's 26. Of course, that should be 26. That should be 26, okay? So here, like that, it's 26. So now, once you're done, you can now print. So before you print, you can trim the unwanted ones, unwanted lines as well. At this point, at this point, at this point, at this point, escape, and then print. And come here. Center the point, window, and then landscape, and then DW to PDF, and then preview. So that's a preview. Escape, and then now we can save it. Third angle, continuation. Third angle, continuation, and then save. Okay,